What's up, everybody? It's Ye Almighty here. On this video, I'm gonna show you how to invest in cryptocurrencies. You feel me? So, if I mess up or stop for a long time, it's because I'm just going off the dome. I don't have any written notes or anything like that. You feel me? So I'm just trying to get all the information that I can to tell you what you need to know and how to be ready to invest and how to invest and how to make some money in these crypto markets. You know what I'm saying? So, first thing you want to do is find an app to your liking. So like Coinbase, Binance, Webull, different apps like that. I use Coinbase, but when you use Coinbase, it's a fee. So when you buy it and when you sell it, you gotta pay a fee each time. The fee varies and stuff like that. That's just Coinbase. I never used another app to try to do this. So you get your account, sign in, you start investing. But with investing, it's so many different coins on this app. So you don't want to just see a coin and then invest in it without any history behind that coin. So you can get certain news behind a lot of coins because it'll be a lot of talk behind coins. So let's say Dogecoin, for example. Everybody will be talking about Dogecoin and how they buying Dogecoin. Everybody buying Dogecoin. When you buy it, when everybody else buy it, it's a pump and dump. So you buy when everybody else buy it, y'all all pump it up. So now the price has rose to a higher amount. So now you just gain some money. I can't tell you the price of how much money you gain because it depends on how much money you put in and different stuff like that and how big the market shot up. You feel me? And then you also can lose money. So when it dump, you want to make sure that you don't miss out. Don't be greedy. So when you being greedy, that's how you can lose your money because if it's a pump and dump, it's probably not a stable coin. You feel me? It's just a pump and dump where the only reason why you making money is because it's being pumped, and then once everybody pump it up, everybody dumps it, but you might stay into that coin and then it go back down. So now you at a loss, and then you might sell it at a loss, but you don't want to sell it at a loss because if you sell it at a loss, then you're just going to be at a loss. So you'll just have to wait until that coin pumps again because they're gonna keep doing pump and dumps at certain times. You don't know when it's gonna happen, but when they start talking about it again, it'll pump back up and then you'll make that money back and then you'll know when to sell it. So you can kind of experiment with it, play with it, but make sure that you have your budget with investing. You feel me? So a coin, um, yeah. So not investing in any coin. Just make sure that you do your research behind certain coins. You don't want to just look at the hype behind different coins and now you losing. And um, let me see. Certain coins, like I said, you can experiment with them and see what they do because certain coins will give you some money, but make sure that you don't be too greedy. When you become greedy, you might lose it all. So if a coin go from 10 cent, oh, and then you can buy coins cheap, so you don't have to just buy a coin that's already at $100. You can do that too, but it's coins that's at 10 cent, 40 cent, $1. You can buy coins like that, and then if they shoot up to like $1,000, you wanna take your risk. So do you want to sell it when it reach 1,000, or do you think it can reach 4,000? You feel me? But that's where being too greedy comes in. You feel me? You want to sell it and where you want to sell it. You feel me? Because it could go to $1,000 and then drop back down to 10 cent, or it could go to $1,000 and then rise even up to $10,000. So it's based off your own strategy behind it because some coins won't go back down to that price that you bought it at. You feel me? So you could do those half and halves where if you got like 100 shares in a coin, you can sell 50 when it go to $1,000. So that dollar that you put in the market and you got 100 coins, you sell 50 of that. So you get your thousands off that 50 and then keep another 50 in there. So just in case it rise again to where you can't put $10,000 for one coin, you already got 50 more coins at 10,000. You feel me? But just knowing that it won't do that all the time, but certain coins do that. So Ethereum, for example, I looked at Ethereum. Excuse me. I looked at Ethereum long term, and Ethereum it started at like 10. Well, it didn't start at 10 cent, but it was low. You feel me? And then it went to like $100, $500, and from $500 it dropped to 10 cent. So a lot of people probably sold it at $500, and then it dropped to 10 cent. So they won. You feel me? A win is a win. You feel me? But then when it dropped to 10 cent, you could have bought it again, and then it shot up to like $4,000. You feel me? So just knowing you gotta know that the market will do stuff like that, where it'll be up, and then it'll crash. But that crash might take you back up even higher, or it might stay low for a long time. You feel me? So that's why I say make sure that you find the perfect coins. And if you keep watching this video to the end, I'm gonna give you a coin that I'm invested in and that I'm gonna help you or tell you about so you can invest in it. You feel me? So, um, what else? Yeah, just being able to make risks, take risks. You feel me? So you don't want to just put all your money in the market, um, especially without knowing what you're doing. You feel me? So like, if you got money that you can add to the market, you want to add that to the market, but you want to know, you want to put it in a stable coin. So like, knowing how this coin operates. So if you study this coin and watch this coin, you see that when it drop, it might shoot back up when the market is in a bull market. And then you don't really have to know terms, but if you're watching other people, they gonna say certain terms like bull market, bear market. A bull market is where everything is green. You feel me? The market is making a lot of money. A bear market is where it's red. You in the red, so everything is at a loss. Both of them are valuable because it's time to make money. Both times, bull market and bear market, you gonna make money because if you're in a bear market, that's when it's time to buy because now you're getting everything for a discount. You're getting everything for the low. So a coin that was at $1,000 might drop down to $200. Now you can buy it at 200. But a coin that was at for that's for the bear market. But a bull market, a coin that was at 10 cent might go up to $10,000. You feel me? So both of them is a win-win. You feel me? You just want to make sure that you um don't put in any coin because every coin don't work like that and don't move like that, and certain coins move at different times. Because I see certain coins that come out the first time that it is gets displayed on the market, it shoots up to like $9,000. So it's possible for coins to do that. New coins. It's not just coins that have been around for a long time. It's also new coins that are, as soon as you come on the market, it'll go to $9,000, and you be thinking like, dang, you feel me? I just won $9,000. Should I keep it in there or should I sell it? A lot of people gonna be like, I'm gonna sell it, and then that's actually good because you won. You feel me? So now you know what I'm saying? And then you want to get a lot of shares. You feel me? In those coins, you want to get a lot of shares. You don't want to get one share because if you get one share, once you sell it, you have nothing else. You feel me? So now, if it go to $1,000, now you gotta have $1,000 to be able to have that one share. You can put portions in there, but I just feel like portions is cheating. Portions are cheat you because it's coins that'll also get back up there where those coins at. Cause I seen this other coins outside of Bitcoin that's at like 19, 20,000 and stuff like that. I think it's just one. I seen one for a fact, but I don't know all of them. Some at 1,000, all that. But the two heavy hitters on the market right now is Bitcoin and Ethereum. And people do trading in those. But my thing is, I would trade in those. Like I still trade in those, but I understand like it's coins that'll be like Bitcoin soon. You know what I'm saying? So like, why would I put $100 in Bitcoin when I'm only gonna make so much money off of that when I could put $100 in a coin that's at 10 cent and make hundreds of thousands and be a millionaire off of that coin. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to get lost in the numbers either because uh it can crash, and not only can it crash, but even if the number is 10 cent, it don't mean that it's not a good coin. You know what I'm saying? It just that's the value of that coin. So you want to get those type coins that's cheap because that mug might shoot to $10,000 and you bought it at 10 cent. So you do the math. You know what I'm saying? And then what else? Um, trying to see. Yeah, like I said, just building your own strategy, figuring out your own way behind it, and what you want to do. Do you want to be a long-term investor or do you want to be a short-term investor? Short-term investor is quick money. You know what I'm saying? Quick money. Long-term investor is ins and outs. You know what I'm saying? Where you there, you there whether the market is up or down. So even if the market is down, you not in fear of like losing it all. You ready to lose it all if you gotta lose it all. You know what I'm saying? And then you shouldn't worry about losing it all anyway because you can make it back. You know what I'm saying? You might not make it back with that coin that was just that's just something that happened. You might not make that money back with that coin, but you might jump into another coin that you lost. Say you lost $200. You feel me? And you still invested in that coin you never sold, but then you find a new coin you invest in that and you just made $10,000. You know what I'm saying? So you can always win, but you just gotta be able to accept your losses as well. You know what I'm saying? So it's a fun thing to invest in. You just gotta be able to have your strategy down, and you gotta be able to know what app you want to use. Like I said, I use Coinbase, but it's a fee every time you buy and sell. You feel me? But I ain't gonna say I love Coinbase. It's just it's the only crypto app that I really understand, and it has all cryptos available. Cause Weeble, if you try to use Weeble, it don't have certain coins available. But the coin that I'm gonna give y'all is Polygon. So I said it in one of my videos already, but that's a coin that I like. It's at 75, 76, 77 cent right now. If you invest in that right now, um, be there for the long term, or you can even sell short term, but you gotta have so much money in that coin to be able to make a little profit, and it's not gonna be a big profit because you gotta remember that it's fees. So when you sell, it's still a fee. So you might not even make your money back. You know what I'm saying? So say you buy Polygon at 76 cent, it go up $2. The fee on Coinbase, if you sell all that, if you had $100 in there and you sell all that, you're gonna be at a loss because the fee gonna be like $3 to take out $100. So you want to keep it in there and keep investing. But that's a long term. That's a long term coin. That's not a short term coin. It's short term coins. I'm just not gonna give them out yet. You feel me? But and then there's other coins like Solana and Cardano. So those are a lot of coins that a lot of people talk about and invest in, and they treat them like pump and dumps as well. So you got to understand what you want to do. Like I said, know if you want to stay in this market, like if you riding with this coin, or if you just there for like either it's a taxi cab or it's your personal car. You know what I'm saying? So long term is your personal car. Short term is your taxi cab or your Lyft or your Uber. It's just getting you where you need to go, and then you dumping it. You're gonna be a pump and dump, or you're gonna stay in there for the long term. I can also help with that, but I'm not a financial advisor. You feel me? I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just letting you know, um, giving you certain guides about the market and how the market runs and how the market moves. But it's it's fun, you know what I'm saying? It's fun playing with the numbers, playing with different coins, and seeing your gains, see when you in a green, seeing when you in a red, because a lot of people, like you might buy higher than what it sold for. So you might buy a coin at $50, and then the coin drops to $20, and then you like, dang, I could have bought it at $20. Or you bought it at $50, it went to $60, and you like, I could have sold it at 60, and then it dropped to 20. So that's why I say don't be too greedy and just know your plan, know your strategy, whether if you want to sell it or if you want to stay in that market um the long term. So either it's your personal car or it's gonna be your taxi cab. It's up to you to decide which one you want to choose. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, long term, short term. You feel me? Long term is you riding it out through the storms, weather, snow. I mean, snow, rain, anything. You still going. You know what I'm saying? High inflation numbers, whatever. You still stand in that coin. And then short term is you got to get out because you know this coin is not valuable. You know what I'm saying? You don't understand this coin, so you gonna get out that coin because you feel like it might crash and it might not never come back from what it just came to. You know what I'm saying? So it might go to $1,000, but it dropped down to 10 cent, and you think, you know what I'm saying? It might not come back from 10 cent. It might stay at 10 cent for another 10 years. So you gotta wait 10 years to be able to make your money back. You know what I'm saying? That's short term. Short term is more fair, and then being able to make money fast. But you could be short term and fast term at the same time because you're still investing in this coin, but you want to make some money as well. You know what I'm saying? So just seeing like you buy a coin for 10 cent, it go up to $100. You sell some, get you some money on the side. You feel me? And then you still got some invested in there. You know, so the goal is to really be long term, but it's your strategy. You know, short term is good as well as long term. It's just up to you what you want to do. So don't have me tell you, do you want to be long term or short term? You figure out if you want to be long term or short term. So I hope that I got to break everything down to y'all about the market. And yeah, like I said, Polygon. That's a coin that I'm invested in. I like that coin. I feel like it's gonna do great things. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to take my word for it because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving that coin out. You know what I'm saying? Um, but yeah, so it's very fun. You feel me? It's very fun investing in it because like I say, you can make money from just $1. So you can turn $1 into $100 if you only put $1 in that coin. But you can't with Coinbase. You can't even put $1 in a coin because the fee for that is gonna be 99 cents. So if you put $10 in a coin, which is gonna be like $9, you gonna make $100 nine times. You feel me? So $900. You know what I'm saying? So just being able to know that, being in the feel of that, and if you got any more questions about if I missed out anything that you needed, just comment below. You feel me? Comment below any questions and I'll answer it in the comment section for you. But also make sure that you like this video, comment, subscribe, share it. You feel me? But that's it for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. I'm gone. Peace out.